My name is John Ezra Musey III. I wanted to refine my skills and get actual formal education. And so I went online and I just typed in a search engine, building maintenance and repair, and Tidewater Tech came up. Financing was available. I was able to start at the time I wanted to start and complete all the paperwork, and it went very smooth. Home improvement, what we do, what handyman people do or maintenance people do, is fix things that break. So we go in when the problem's going bad, and when we leave, the problem's resolved, and we get happy clients. Our customers are satisfied that their problem is fixed. There's a lot of gratification in completing certain projects. You stand back and look at the work that you do, you get a feeling of accomplishment because it's your work, it's your hands that constructed or crafted what you're looking at. Rather it's laying ceramic tile floor, installing toilets or fixtures, plumbing work. If you take pride in the work that you do, when you stand back and look at a completed project, you feel good about that. I'm an instructor at Tidewater Tech. The primary program I teach is building maintenance and repair. Yes, you can be a maintenance person and go to work for somebody and make an income, and you can make a really decent living off of doing this. If you're a young person looking for a start, it can give you the fundamental skills and the basic knowledge that you need to go out and do the maintenance business.